Hello, I'm going to show you on my Caketastic Cake video today how to make letters, and it's not just letters. These are letters like superhero style, so you could put them with any kind of superhero cake or Avengers cake or whatever kind of action you want. So it's really easy, really basic. You start out with red. Red's always a great color for the comic book type stuff. The kid's name I'm making is Miles, so it's 5 letters, so I made 5 large circles. They're maybe 1.5 inches in diameter. And all I did was nip around the edges with a smaller circle and until I had like a spiky explosion look. Each of those letters, or shapes, sorry, I'm going to outline in yellow, just like in the comic books, just to give it that nice look. In order to attach it, all I did was go around each one and with a little bit of water and a paintbrush and just attach the yellow to it. And you can pinch the edges off to make it sharper if you want. To make the letters, I used a square cutter that's a little bit smaller than the sizes themselves and just cut out each letter. And that's it. Super easy. So if you found this super brief video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will show you how to make something wonderful again. Bye.